If you're trying to log in on the US AVITS portal and you're getting an error message of password has expired, now this is how to fix it. So let me give you an example. This is my username and password and I'm trying to sign in, and all of a sudden I get this: your password has been expired, please change password to continue. So this is how to fix it. Click on reset password, enter that your username, which is your email address. Once you enter your email address, click on reset password. Once you click on reset password, it's going to send you an email. Just click on the link, then set up your password. So once you click on the link, enter your new password. You can choose anything. So now I can enter the new password. Enter the password again. Now click on reset. Basically, your password has been reset. So once you do that, automatically your password has been reset. All you just have to do is click sign in. Once you click sign in, you'll be able to sign in back to your account. Basically, this is how to reset your password on the US AVITS portal.